Hi guys, zpolt here. Welcome to my lab. So blind tests are really popular here in this channel, and I kind of thought it will be really interesting to let a bigger group like you guys here in the community do the blind test yourself. So what we're gonna do in this video is I recorded my IEMs with my recording rig. I tried it with the Zoom H5. I wasn't able to get a good seal with the SM57. Maybe in the future I can get a better rig, but I recorded with the H5, of course in the highest quality possible in 24-bit. And I'm gonna show you guys some letters, of course not showing what IEM it is, and you're gonna decide the winner, the best sounding for you at the end of this video. Of course, with the Google Forms in the links down below, you're gonna vote. Everybody gets a vote, definitely. So it will be pretty interesting. Of course, I'm gonna play just one tune. I tried to find royalty-free music so I wouldn't get copy strike, so I just have one tune for this test. So yeah, maybe in the future I will have more tunes, but for this test, just one tune for this. I think it will still be really revealing to you, this kind of test. Of course, without further ado, let's get right into it. That is my blind test. I think that is pretty interesting for me. Those are 7 IEMs. Just a clue, there's really cheap ones and there's really expensive ones in that group. Definitely will be interesting what will win in this blind test. Of course, vote down below. Let your voice be heard. Of course, I'm gonna do a follow-up video after this. I'm gonna reveal also what IEMs are in the letters assigned. And of course, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. And of course, subscribe here to keep in tune with this kind of blind test and with the results as well. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.